Hello everyone, how's it going? My name is Chris and today I am going to be reviewing the Craftsman 20-inch nylon power tools bag. So first of all, it's from a company called Craftsman. Craftsman is very well known, it's a very reputable brand. They don't just make bags, they also make the power tools themselves, which you can put inside here. So it makes really good sense if you already own Craftsman. Why not just get the bag since you already have trust and built in the brand? First of all, very good. As far as colors, I only know, as far as I know, if it comes in this black color and only in nylon. It's very cool little stocking stuffer you could give to someone, or for Christmas or for someone's birthday. This is very good for that. That's actually how I received this item from a friend. I've had this for about 3 years, and as with the moving and everything, there's obviously some signs of it being used. But like I said, if you maintain it well enough, do regular cleaning, you should be good. I just didn't do anything to it, so this is what it looks like after all those years of just throwing it in and just putting stuff in there. Pretty much. As far as the feel, it's very sturdy, rugged. It's definitely not what you could call soft. It's very far in the opposite of soft. It has this cool design to it. It's kind of like, the best way I could put it is if you've ever put your hands through chain link fences, and when it was really tiny with the gaps where you could only fit your one finger, just felt around it. That's the best way I could describe the feel of this entire pouch. I mean, bag. It's not a pouch. What I was going to say next is, let's just talk about the outside of it. So, as you could clearly see, there's the Craftsman logo here, power tools, which is what it's intended for. And in the front here, it has these 3 cool little pouches. They're all separate. They're not connected. They're separated by this nail. And there's for one pouch. It's where you could put nuts, bolts, screws, stuff like that. That's where you put it. On the side, it just has this nice little strap that you could hook onto, say if you're onto a truck or anything. Pretty much it's there. And then on the back it has these 2 main pouches. Again, you could use them for the same. Let's zoom in so you can see it. It's about the depth. It's about as deep. Here's my middle finger. Here's my middle finger. It's right about as big as my middle finger is. If that is a good size comparison. Otherwise, then it has this Velcro-ish feeling. It's not Velcro that holds, so you can actually carry. This is the one method of carrying power tool. Very standard. There's nothing new to it. I just needed to show you guys. And then let's take a look inside. So the way you would close this is there's just a zipper, and you just zip it all the way up, and then when ready, zip it all the way down. Just take the zipper and push it down. You need to apply some force. Definitely not easy. And then inside the pouch, inside the bag, you have another pouch that you can put here. It goes off like that, and then in here you could put items as your power tools. I'm going to demonstrate right now. Now it took a little bit longer than I wanted to, but here's the bag. Just put it in here, and you can see it holds quite a lot. This only took about roughly, I'd say, 10% of the bag. You could put all your tools here, or if you want to make it more organized, you know, whatever your style is. Of course, I always just put everything stuffed it on side, but you could put it here and it would all fit snugly. So now let's talk about the disadvantages. Okay, one of the biggest disadvantages is the texture. I'm just not a huge fan of the texture it has. It's very rough texture. I'd rather it be soft than it being so hard. Inside, same thing. It's very rough texture. I understand where they're coming from with tools being quite rough. They're definitely not the softest item, but I'd much rather. Another thing, the design. I'm not a huge fan of the design. It's very plain, very easy, and then just the overall wear. This thing wears really quick, so you have to take proper care of it, and if you don't, it ends up like this. Well, that was my review, and hopefully I gave you good insight. Peace.